The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, may have just captured something extraordinary. Something that looks a lot like city lights far out in space, about 7 trillion miles away. The lights were spotted on Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to Earth. Now, scientists are buzzing with one big question. Could this finally be the proof we've been waiting for, evidence of alien life? The JWST, humanity's most advanced infrared telescope, detected strange bright patterns on Proxima b. These lights resemble what you might expect from an illuminated city at night. Could we really be seeing the glow of an alien civilization? If so, that would mean intelligent beings are out there, building cities and developing technology in ways we've only imagined. NASA engineers are now trying to figure out how long those lights have been there. Could they have been shining for ages, just waiting for us to develop the tools to see them? David Kipping, an astrophysicist at Columbia University, points out that Proxima b has unusual thermal patterns. While most rocky planets absorb sunlight and emit infrared radiation in a predictable way, this planet's emissions don't line up with its star, Proxima Centauri. That unique heat signature could hold vital clues about the planet's atmosphere. What makes this even more exciting is JWST's ability to analyze the night side of planets, something older telescopes struggled with. It can detect artificial light in space, as long as it's at a frequency significantly smaller than natural starlight. And Proxima b has just the kind of characteristics that make scientists pay close attention. Researchers think the planet's surface might even include massive solar arrays, panels that collect energy from its star. As Proxima b rotates, it experiences day and night cycles just like Earth. If it doesn't have an atmosphere, the temperature swings between day and night would be extreme. But the data suggest that the planet does have an atmosphere, and scientists want to know more. How much does the temperature shift? What gases are present? Could they support life? JUIC's orbit aligns almost perfectly with Proxima b's, allowing us to observe both its day and night sides every 11 Earth days. The next big step is figuring out whether the planet has life-supporting chemicals in its air, things like oxygen, water vapor, and methane. These compounds could hint at biological activity. But even with all its power, the JWST can only examine nearby exoplanets in this level of detail. That's why astronomers are also looking ahead to future observatories like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, expected to begin operations in 2028. The ELT will be able to analyze more distant worlds in even greater detail, providing clearer insight into which planets might be capable of supporting life. One clever idea scientists are pursuing involves using star shading technology. Picture holding up your hand to block the sun so you can see something in the distance. That's the concept. By blocking out the light from a star, telescopes will be better able to study the faint reflections coming off the planet itself. That will help researchers analyze atmospheric gases and determine whether they're created by life or natural events like volcanic eruptions. While nothing definitive has been found yet, every strange light and unusual signal brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone? Back in 1984, astronomers Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson founded the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI. This organization has spent decades scanning the sky for alien radio signals using the Allen Telescope Array, a group of 42 radio dishes. Radio waves can travel across vast distances without degrading, making them an ideal medium for any potential alien communication. So far, SETI hasn't detected anything conclusive, but the hunt continues, more energized than ever by these new findings from JWST. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful space telescope ever built. Its sensitive instruments can see through clouds of cosmic dust and peer into the farthest corners of the universe, even catching glimpses of the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Since becoming fully operational, JWST has sent back stunning images and groundbreaking data, including the recent hints of possible city lights on Proxima b. Scientists are now racing to determine whether these lights are artificial, created by an alien society, or the result of some unknown natural process. Some speculate the glow could be caused by bioluminescent organisms, similar to glowing sea creatures on Earth. Others suggest it might come from a unique atmospheric reaction between Proxima b and its host star. What scientists really want to know is whether the light follows a pattern. If it changes predictably, say, in a way similar to how Earth cities light up at night, it could be a huge clue pointing to artificial origin. That would be a truly groundbreaking discovery. Every new telescope brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. While no planet has yet proven it can host life, we're finally at a point where we can gather strong evidence. The discovery of possible artificial lights on Proxima b is one of the most exciting signs we've seen. If confirmed, it would change everything: how we view ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the future of human exploration. Until then, scientists, engineers, and dreamers will keep looking up, hoping the next breakthrough is just one image away.